Good morning, everyone. This is Soumya Ranjan Nahak. Welcome to my channel, Renu Ratna Parshala. Thank you for your supports and loves. So, in today's class, we are going to study about the identifier. So, what do you mean by identifier? Identifier is a part of tokens. We had already discussed it in our previous class. So, the definition of identifier means it is a name of a variable, class, or method given by the user. It is a name of variable, class, method. So it is a name which is used as variable, class, or method. Second point is identifier is a collection of character like uppercase, lowercase, and digit. Collection of uppercase, lowercase, and digit. So this is the definition of identifier. So then after we will read the rule and regulation of identifier. So let me erase. So this is the definition. So now I will write rules to write the identifier. So what kind of rule we are following when we are going to write the identifier we will learn now. So first rule will be it doesn't start with digit. Doesn't start with digit. When we are writing an identifier, then it can't start with a digit. If we will write a digit at first in a variable, then it can't be an identifier, but it can be a variable. So second point will be it is case sensitive. It is case sensitive. Third point will be keywords can't be identifier. Fourth point, it doesn't contain space. Fifth point, it can't start with special symbol. Special symbol like exclamatory symbol, @ hash, dollar symbol, and so on. Identifier can't start with a digit like 0 to 9. It is a case sensitive. Keyword can't be a identifier. There are so many keyword in Python, but if we want to use keyword as a identifier, then it is not possible. So keyword can't be a identifier. It doesn't contain space. If we want to write a identifier name, then we must have to use uppercase, lowercase, underscore also used in identifier, but it doesn't contain space. It cannot start with special symbol like exclamatory symbol, at the rate, hash symbol, dollar symbol, is like other symbols. Special symbol can't be used in identifier. So these are the rules of identifier. So let me erase. I will explain the examples of identifier. So identifier, valid identifier. I will write valid identifier. I will write invalid identifier this side. I will write valid identifier this side. Suppose I will write Sweta. Sweta is a valid identifier because it start with uppercase. But if I will write one Sweta, it is not an example of identifier because identifier never starts with digit. So this is a invalid identifier. Then after I will write this can be identifier because it doesn't contain space, it doesn't start with digits, it doesn't start with special symbols. If I will write cricket game, then it will be invalid because it contains space here and identifier never support space. If I will write underscore return, it can be a identifier. If I will write return and remove underscore at first position, then it can't be a identifier because return is a keyword and keyword cannot be used as identifier. So these are the examples of my identifier. So thank you, have a great day. We will meet in next class with rest of the part.